Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Daniel. So in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to design your ebook using Canva. So let's get started. All you have to do is to open your canva.com, and you search for ebook. So once you click on the search button, it will bring you a lot of ebook templates which you can use. So we'll be using this one right here. So we click on it. So as you can see right here, as you can see, there is a lot of template here already, which you just have to replace with your content. So you come down here, this title of my book, and then this image right. So I'm just gonna delete this and delete this as well. So delete the line, and then I'll come down to element and search for cigarette. So search for cigarette smokers. So CKC. Okay, let's go for cigarette. Okay, so all these are in a premium, so which means we can use them. Okay, I say rent is free. Okay, so I'm just gonna drag that and drop it. So also let's check no smoking. So as it is loading, we come here and I want to change the background. So let me change the background color to blue. Okay, blue. Okay, so change. Okay, this color looks great. Change that. So now everything has changed. Everything has changed. So now no smoking, as you can see. As you can see, this picture looks great. Rejecting the smoke, but it's actually in the premium, so you can use that. Okay, I found this one. So we bring it. Okay, so yes, I think we should delete this one. Now we don't need this, so we're gonna use this. Right. So now using this, the color doesn't match with the picture. So now you right click and apply colors to page. So let's see what it's gonna do. So as you can see, now it applies the color and it actually looks great. It looks great. So just from this. Okay, so as you can see right now, everything looks great. The book cover actually looks great. So I think this one we should switch it up right here, and this as well. So yes, stop addictive a bit. You can see the picture actually looks great. So okay, so okay, this should come down. Yes, yes. Now we got to, let me see the color. You should go with this. So then this. Okay, so now let's come back here. I think we should just apply everything. We should apply the color to everything. So we come back here, we have to change the background color of everything. Pick this one, then change all. So everything has been changed again. As you can see, it actually looks great right now. So now we continue editing. This is content. So I think we should just drag the content up, and then this one we delete this. We can put this right. We delete this. Delete this. Delete this. Delete this. Also delete this numbers. So I'm not going to edit everything. I just want to show you guys. Maybe I'm just gonna edit like 3 pages. So you come down here. This is a table of content of the book I'm writing. So Control A, highlight everything, copy, and then come here. You click on text, sub-heading, and then you paste it. So this is the table of content. So drag it up. Let's see. So everything actually doesn't look good. So you come here. I have to reduce this size. Expand. Okay, so it's pretty like this. So yeah, so shift it to forward. Let's come down. Yes. So just have to edit everything step by step. So remove this table of content. I think it's actually not necessary as we have it up here. So so as you can see, So as you can see, this is a table of content right now. So okay, let me remove. Okay, so close this also. Yeah, and then to the bullet point. Okay, so as you can see, this book cover and this table of content. So we can learn introduction. Okay, so the next thing is terms and conditions. So I like everything, copy, and then come back here as well and start editing. So we click on this, delete them, delete them.
السلام عليكم. Yes. Yesterday, Matthew. Huh? You know, yesterday I tell you that I will come see clothes.
Yes, it's coming. It's coming by 11.
You don't have his number. Remember this to you.
Happy Thursday. Great.
Hello. Ini, aku mau pun. Wah, bang, mana jual sekarang? Bang, kau dah berapa? Wah, bang. Ada mana jual?
So come here, delete this. And then we enter box again. So we put on text and we paste for to copy. Okay, so drag it up. Okay, so we resize it. We have to control. Okay. Okay, so drag it down. You can see right now it's perfect, but we'll try even want to do in the middle. So yeah, so this is good. So that's how you keep doing and doing and doing till you be done. So that's the end of today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.